dumb sign.
I'm smarter than a sign! Look at me!
Oh, don't touch it!
Boing!
Well, I suppose technically I'm not on the grass.
I'm a woodpecker. Except with dirt. Woodpecker. Dirt. Woodpecker. Dirt, 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 dirt. Woodpecker.
I poured them in the bravery!
Could you pull my finger off?
No.
Father's garage!
Sleep on me!
Ed!
Keep your eye on the egghead! High ball in the corner pocket. Dare to compare! Will you ever cease to amaze me, Ed? Yes, I will.
Ed? Do you know there's a turtle on your head?
No!
You love chickens! Chickens make you happy!
Her cat makes me
Smart.
that she never butters my
Dickie?
That's my jawbreaker! That's my jawbreaker! That's my
Meatball!
The beast circles with hunger! We must appease it with a
Salad bar!
Coming down, you...
Dickie! Am I smart now?
No!
Shrink me!
Did you know there's a turtle on your head?
Yep!
Father's garage!
Be happy! Get over it!
Good!
Why is Double D wearing pantyhose on his head?
He was so hairy and burly.
It says overripe
Candy!
and day-old
Pumpkin spice.
will make them go back from whence they
Had a pill!
You're just saying that because I said your jacket stank.
Stinky hat!
You've got a repulsive fermenting detachment of cheese in your pocket, Ed.
Egg face?
Dirt, dirt. Woodpecker! I'm a dirt woodpecker! Nylon rope!
Ed? Do you know there's a turtle on your head?
My dad has a shovel!